Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you my electrophorus wand. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is my electrophorus wand, this plastic base plate, a plastic cup, a cotton cloth, small styrofoam beads, and this staticide spray. The first step is to add a small number of styrofoam beads to the bottom of your plastic cup. The second step is to spray your styrofoam beads with some staticide spray. Okay, now you're ready to test your electrophorus wand. Take your cotton cloth and rub it against that plastic plate, and that friction will induce an electrostatic charge on the plate. Touch your electrophorus wand to the plate and then put it over those styrofoam balls and watch what happens. Look at that, they just jump to life as they're attracted to that electrostatic energy. That is just awesome. And they just keep moving. And you can always charge up your electrophorus wand just by rubbing that base plate with the cotton cloth again, and then touch your electrophorus wand to the plate, and then put it back over the cup, and they'll start moving all over again. Check it out. That is just awesome. Electrostatic energy is so exciting to watch. And all you need are some styrofoam balls, a plastic cup, and your electrophorus wand, and they come to life. Just look at that. That is amazing. I like to use this demonstration to illustrate the Triboelectric effect in the Triboelectric series, which simply states that when you rub two materials together, the friction tends to make some material lose electrons and become positively charged, while other material tends to gain electrons and become more negatively charged, just like rubbing a balloon against your hair. If you look at rubber on the Triboelectric series, it tends to gain electrons, making the balloon negative, while your hair tends to be more positive. So in this demonstration, when you rub that cotton cloth on the acrylic base plate, the acrylic base plate tends to gain electrons and become more negatively charged, while the cotton tends to be more positively charged. And if you look at my electrophorus wand, the bottom of it's made of aluminum, which tends to be more positive, while the polystyrene beads in the bottom of the plastic cup, they tend to be more negative. And so as opposites are attracted, those negatively charged beads jump up in the plastic cup as they're attracted to that aluminum base plate of my electrophorus wand. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.